Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky, and today we're going to discuss how to determine whether your family is a good fit for 50-50 custody. A 50-50 custody arrangement where both parents share equal time with their children can be a great solution for some families, but it isn't always the best fit for everyone, right? So several factors must be evaluated for deciding if 50-50 custody arrangement is the right for you and it's also right for your child. So one of the first considerations is the child's age and emotional maturity. For younger children, frequent transitions between homes might be difficult, while other children may benefit from spending equal time with both parents. A child psychologist or therapist can be helpful in determining whether your child is emotionally ready for a shared custody situation like this. The ability to co-parent effectively is another essential factor. For a 50-50 custody arrangement to be successful, both parents must communicate well and cooperate on important decisions regarding the child's education, health, the well-being, and whatever other things that y'all find important. If there's a history of conflict or a lack of communication between parents, it could lead to complications in maintaining an equal shared arrangement. In such cases like that, it can be more beneficial to opt for a different custody plan that focuses more on the child's best interest rather than trying to split time evenly. Logistics also play a significant role in deciding if 50-50 custody is going to be feasible. Because for the arrangement to work smoothly, the parents need to live close to one another so that the child isn't burdened with long or complicated travel schedules. Proximity between homes can reduce stress for the child and make transitions easier. So if one parent lives far away or there are complicated travel arrangements, a 50-50 custody split may not be realistic or in the best interest of your child. Financial and emotional preparedness are often key factors to consider here. Shared custody requires not only time, but also financial stability. Each parent must be able to support two households, manage the logistics of transportation, and provide a consistent routine for your child. Additionally, emotional readiness is crucial. Both parents must be able to put their differences aside for the sake of the child and handle the stresses of co-parenting. Ultimately, deciding whether a 50-50 custody arrangement is the right fit for your family involves considering many aspects of your child's needs, your ability to co-parent, the logistical realities, and the emotional and financial preparedness. If you are unsure, consulting with the family law attorney can help guide you towards the right decision. They can assess your situation. They can offer advice based on your unique circumstances to help ensure that the best interests of your child are prioritized. If you need help navigating custody arrangements, contact us today for expert legal advice and assistance, and we'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.